Hey guys, look what just came in the mail. So what this is the Mystery Rancher Brigadier 55 liter through hiking backpack. I was just gonna do a unboxing with you guys. This is it right here. Let's cut into it. All right, so I just wanted to pull up some the specs for you guys off the website, off the Amazon website. So right here we have product dimensions, 27.95 by 12.99 by 27 by 95 inches. We have the item weight,
crazy.
5.44 pounds.
There it is. Voila. I bought it on Amazon for $359. One of the reasons why I bought it, one of the coolest features about it, I think, is right here. You can, when you wear it, you have a double chest strap. So it kind of helps distribute the weight a little bit better. You got a pretty good size pocket here in the front. And then that comes with a pocket right here, a mesh pocket. Looks like if you need to, you can actually detach the back piece from the backpack. Drink holders. Right here, they're kind of curved, so you can, while you're wearing your bag, you can just kind of reach in and put it right back. I really like that. One on both sides. Okay, let's get into the actual pack. Now, okay, let's take a look at the insides. The cool feature about this bag is for actually zips real far down on both sides. So if you need to, you can access the bottom of your pack really easily. So we got a pouch right here. This could be for, put something in here, clothes or, okay, so we got a pouch right here as well. Pretty nice. I really like all these pouches. So this is what it looks like on me. Obviously it's empty, and I still have something to do with these, but yeah, if you look right here, the double chest strap thing. This was a huge feature for me. Here's a good look at the back of it. We have some additional clips right here. Some additional clips right here inside of the pouch bag. I don't know what these are called, but we got one. I really like this brain. What you can do with this actually is this whole brain will come off. And you don't even have to use this. You can just honestly, this right here, if you fill this up with like clothes at night, this right here would be a great thing to just be a pillow and hold your pillows in it. But unless you have other stuff in there, obviously I wouldn't put your pillow in there. Just bring a
a pillow. Nemo makes really good pillows. What else? So, what we have here also is the brace. There's a metal bar running through here. Alright guys, so I just walked about 2 miles with this, and my first impressions of it are good. I thought it was very comfortable walking up. All of my stuff held really well. I didn't feel a whole lot of movement while I was walking. The shoulder straps right here felt really comfortable on me. This really, you know, like I said earlier, it did actually help distribute the weight like I was hoping. Everything held up really tight on here. As you can see, all of your stuff is just held down with the strap. I took my zippers and I like to run them through this piece. I like to run my zippers through here so my zippers, there's no chance for it to even unzip. Yeah, so first impressions, I like it. Would I recommend you guys to buy it? If you don't mind all the extra buckles and zippers, and you're not looking for the lightest pack out there, yes, I would recommend it. It is comfortable. It has all the little bells and whistles like pouches right here and pouches on your waist. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video. I have other videos available you can watch right now on my channel. Go check that out. If you like canoeing, fishing, hiking, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out the video.